And thank you very much. All right, it is October. This guy tells us we need to start planning for our taxes, especially with the charitable donation. So let's talk to Waterstone Financial owner James Gallagher. Thank you for joining us. Tell us, what is the #1 tip our viewers need to know as they sort of plan all this out?
Sure. So a lot of our viewers are retirees,
Sure.
and they have probably received a notice in the last couple of weeks that says you have to take required minimum distributions out of your savings. A lot of people get confused by this, but if they don't do it properly, up to a 50% tax penalty. But one of the ways that we coach people at Waterstone is there is a new IRS rule that allows them to take that money out, give it directly to the charity, and get a much bigger tax savings. So that was the big tip, is to use your RMDs to give to some of these charities.
Okay, good. So many people in need right now between the hurricanes and everything going on in Las Vegas. So I guess my question is, are all charities the same? Are they all equal?
No, unfortunately, the IRS only recognizes charities that are registered charitable organizations. So, for instance, you know, churches, your churches are all registered. Big organizations like you might see on TV that you're giving to the hurricanes and so on, those will be registered. But to give it to your friend down the street or to give it to your kids, that doesn't count as a charity.
Okay, it has to be registered.
Yeah.
You know, the other thing I know a lot of people are concerned about is scams, things like that. How can we know if we're donating to a real charity?
So one of the ways you can check these charities out is you can go to sites like Charity Navigator, or another site is Charity Watch, and you can go through, you can find out if they're registered. You can also find out if they get their money to the people involved, or are they wasting a bunch of it on overhead and other things like that. So we always give to smaller local charities that we know 100% of the money is going to the people in need.
All right, good advice there. Bottom line, start planning now.
Right, absolutely.
January 1st, it's too late.
Right.
All right, thank you very much. For more information on tax planning, go to our website, that's fox4now.com.